Welcome, welcome. Yeah, Uno did go on good yesterday. Yeah, Uno deserve breakfast again today. Yes, a good breakfast. Yeah, cause Uno come over and Uno put up Uno thumb. Uno did do good. So me not lie. Only one person, one. I think I want to come my side. I want to go rat or wife. I come over here and leave one sarcastic comment about me singing. Because then grudgeful already. Then bad mind me already. Cause then think say me I go boss. Yeah, cause me singing a come on and then feel say me go get a record deal. So them not like it, so and come over here. And say something about me singing. So me just delete and block them. And can't come back over here. So that is. But wanna big up on yourself. All of my supporters and my new subscribers, big up on yourself and all the viewers. So now we come to talk a little bit about to continue a bit about petition, yeah. Petition, yeah. A big Tory can't done. To some Tory what can't done. And that we want to continue upon, yeah. So now, when we go, I want shop in. Tell you where shop there, you go down so you pass it through, you go down so you come round so you go up so and you go up on the hill. And little shop there up there. And me see same thing about petition. So, but it appears to me say the petition what did was out before. They mean what if put out and one petition they put out, but then realize I was the one from last year, so the petition not there anymore, because maybe them are gonna revise it. Yes, so yeah, the lady open up a can of worms. Yeah, the lady over the cake shop open up a can of worms because it look like new petition might be coming, I believe. Yes, that's what me see. Say go. So say me like to go down a memory lane. So me go over change arg. Me go pull out the petition. Yeah, the petition it passed. Petition and the one what copycat did put out too. So me looking pan it and it said to stop bullying and harassment for AD. And when you look upon it, she did get about 7,000, over 7,000 people, yeah, did sign the petition, yeah. And the other lady over the camp, yeah, 300 and something people signed for her. And then somebody did leave a comment in the comment section yesterday about the lady over the cake shop, yeah, say, considering she got about 5,000 followers and reckons she have, and only 100 people sign it, that speaks volumes. So this is it. All fans or followers or whatever you call will hug you on and go on like say they're for you, but they're not. Yeah, they're not supporting you with all your nonsense. Yeah, some of them, yeah, they probably just, I don't know, but them not supporting you with the nonsense. But when we hear one another talking in that one about the AD appear people, yeah, them attack one woman from over the camp attack say AD appear people, and she appear speak your mind man there over. So because she must have mentioned the name and the following day come out and of course the lady over the camp. Yeah, so she she said that she never say maybe she say she appear. Yeah, so me don't know how much people she can appear. So how much people she have employed because that's what me want to know. Because some people say the followers them a boost up people with the app and the cash and the app and the Zelle and the this and the that. Yeah, so no, this a man, yeah, as far as me know, him not look like him desperate. Yeah, him not have none of the apps, the cash and the app and the Zelle and the soup and the chat. Yeah, him not have none of that. Because me know say me see one time when me go over there go peep, me see in the comment section somebody ask him if him have the and he say no. So him not do it for that. Yes, a lot of people them see the injustice while going on with the lady, or she's been bullied and harassed. Yeah, harassment and bullying are going on. Yes, as that petition say. Yeah, the woman is being bullied. Yeah, and harassed. Yeah, cyberbullying we call it. Yes, a lot of misinformation is going out there, yes, and out there about her. So people take it upon themselves to take it to the platform and talk about it, yes. So, and as soon as you start to talk about it, people say that she pay you. Yes. Some followers will give people super chat or cash up or whatever, because they like that platform and they like the fact that they're talking positive about the lady and supporting the lady. Some of our followers will give super chat, and I mean, I see nothing wrong with that, because I know just yeah, if you go all over YouTube, people are get super chat, all the big platforms, they might get them something there. So there's nothing illegal about that. Yes, there's nothing wrong with people giving you super chat or cash up or Zella or whatever. It's not anything wrong if they feel that you put on a good show and all that, and they give you that, you know, they're not, the person that's receiving it is not breaking the law in any way or form. Yeah, but I don't understand how the people over the camp like to say that people are get paid. Yeah, as soon as you open your mouth and you talk anything against what they're doing, it's always say the lady are pay. Yeah, they pay people here. So that me see with them, and that's what is like, that's part of misinformation too, because you're making up stories when I go so. So yeah, tell lie, yes, and you call yourself talk truth. You're telling lie here. So no, everybody cussing, not everybody, but a lot of people are cursing or get on the cussing bandwagon because of the behavior of what's going on over the camp. Yeah, a lot of things going on, and yeah. So that me say I go on. I mean, I see nobody getting paid. Me can't say this woman have money for pay people like that because so people take it. Some people take it upon themselves because them see that if they cuss, fans might give them money. As that bit me see. So some people will cuss or support the argument in that way. We get extra cash up or whatever that we get from our fans, because our fans are generous. If anything, I saw it go. But as for the people that are saying that people are threatening them, nobody should threaten nobody. But at the end of the day, some of the problems that are going on is because some people support the lady 100%. So if you say anything bad about her and they don't like it, they'll come at you. I that me see. That's what me see going on. But I know the lady at the cake shop always say that she always mention the word accountability, as I may always say. Yeah, me say yesterday accountability, but she don't take accountability at all for any of her actions at all. Yeah, yeah, all of them, as me can see, is fusional. Yeah, them fusional. That me I go say, because them always have to turn it around on other people, and that me see go on in the camp over there. So yes, them fusional, and then say everybody don't, and mischief always I say people don't. Yeah, and she bright, but the things that are going on with it is bullying and harassment, yes, and that me say I may not take it back. Okay, me don't talk and me gone.